So here I am in the Photoshop, photopea.com. You just simply go to this browser, go to this link, and you're good to go. And from there, you need to click, a new, open from computer, or you can download the file. I will give the link in the description box below. This is the number AAV2. We are going to create this one. So simply, click and drag over this area, and it will be pasted as it will open as a new project. All right, you can see it says edit here, and there is a square icon, and that actually says a smart object icon. In Photoshop, it will have kind of paper icon, so just double click it and you are good to go. Okay, nothing actually changed. You can see in this area we have lots of options to choose from. Okay, let's start with the images, with the images first. If I hide this is the after, and this is the before image. And if I click this drop down icon, it will enable more options. You just need to work with this edit image here layer. Same things, just double click the icon and it will open a new canvas. Here we need to add a smiley or the after images that you want to show on your thumbnail. You can simply go and open up your phone and hit the record button. Don't take images. All right, then we need to screenshot the images from the video, and you need to go to this website, eras.bg. okay, in this website you just simply drag and drop your images, and the video and the background will be removed. And once the background is removed, you will have like this part is for the after image. This will be the happy face. Simply drag and drop into the area and click this confirm icon, and again select the layer and click this, enable the transform controls, and then drag it to make it fit to the canvas, I guess like this. Then again click this and hide this after image, then hit Ctrl+S. It's very important to know that you have to press Ctrl+S every time you did any changes onto the smart object area. Alright, now let's get back to the original canvas. I can see it's not looking great, but we're going to fix this later. Let's work with the before image. Same thing, this is the layer. Double click the smart object icon and drop the sad face of yours. Yeah, I guess it's very sad. I'm very, very, very sad on these images. All right, I guess, yeah, this looking good. Same thing, Ctrl+S to save it. Go to the text or .psd, and as you can see, we have the images. And to make everything, keep everything nice and tight, I'm going to hide the arrow and the text for now. And if this option is selected, auto select, you have to disable it. Just simply click this and you're good to go. Then expand the before or after image, and then only select the edit image here layer, and then you can play around and position it however you like. You can select this one, and then you can make it smaller or bigger if you need it. Okay, I guess it's looking good. And then after image, select this layer, and I'm just going to make it perfectly align. I guess I need to make it a little bit smaller. Okay, I'm going to use my keyboard. Okay, I guess this is looking good. Yeah, all right. Then I'm going to enable the divider. This is the paper that divide both of the screen or scene. Then the arrow, and if you want to change the arrow color, you need to double click this icon and play around with the slider. So I'm going to use like this. If you have found a color that you really like by playing with the HUE slider, then you need to keep this number in mind. It's 1 to 7. Why I say this, if you enable the the text layer and expand it, this is the text. You can have your own text, or keep it as it is right now. And if you want to change the color of the text, double click this and this color will be changed. If you as you can see, if you want to have different color, that's good to go. If you have the similar color like the icon, you can still be, I guess it was 1 to 7. It's 1 to 7. Okay, it's 1 to 7. You have the aesthetic of the icon of the arrow as well. You can move the text whatever you like. You can select the arrow, you can change the direction, or you can simply right click and change the rotation. You actually get the full creative freedom to work with the thumbnail, or you can delete this. And yeah, that's a pretty nice and neat thumbnail. As you can see, the thumbnail is looking pretty great and you are good to go. Once you're happy with the design, you need to again press Ctrl+S and Ctrl+S, yeah, it's updated, and go to the AAV2.psd to have more additional effects. As you can see, kind of it looks very dark. To fix this one, I need to select this image. I guess it's not this, it's after image. Okay, and double click this camera raw option and you can increase the exposure, no exposure like this, then hit Ctrl S, then go to okay, wait for this message and go to a v2 and you're good to go. And once you're happy, make sure you are saving from this canvas, not this area. All right, go to file, go to export as and select APG, quality to 100%. Make sure the image is under 2 megabyte once you are uploading on YouTube, because YouTube doesn't allow more than 2 megabyte. I don't know why. Hit save and you are good to go. Yeah, that's it for the tutorial video. And if you want to know how you can get this viral thumbnail look, you can click this video or click this video, and yeah, you can watch this video and you will have more collection of your on for your YouTube channel and thumbnail designs. All right, yeah, I will wait. Just click any of the video. Yeah, click this. Yeah, please click this. I'm waiting for you. All right, bye.